think of the first letter for me. Nakita niyo yung lips, sabi niya, M. My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds.
Unbelievable.
What's your name again? Sorry?
AJ.
AJ. Mentalist na malilimutin. Okay, so I'm gonna try to guess your word. Based on how you said yes, parang gusto mo akong pahirapan. Yeah. You're thinking of a long word, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, think of this word over and over again. Imagine that this word is in front of, oh, it's not something that you can see. Either a feeling or a place, but I'll go with place. Yeah? Okay, think of this place. Have you been to this place? No, okay, good. I'm not sure. I'm seeing ancient. Ancient. Interesting. Think of the first letter for me. Nakita niyo yung lips, sabi ko, think of the first letter for me, sabi niya, M. Think of a letter inside this word, P and O. Haba Okay. Feeling ko ito yung word niya. Ito. Don't read out loud. Tama ba spelling ko?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. For the first time, loud and clear, what is the word you're thinking of?
Mesopotamia.
Oh my God!
Thank you very much, AJ.
Thank you.
Thank you. This one is for you.
Thank you.